Zido, Mama will give you the chocolate if you know the color, okay? First, you pick. Where is yellow? Yellow. Where? Show me. Where? Go get it. Oh, yellow. Very good. Oh, sige, eat the yellow. Where is the green? Green. Go get the green. Oh, give to Mama first. Give to Mama first. Do not eat. Give Mama. Where is the blue? Blue. No. Give Mama first. Where is the orange? The orange. Where's the orange? Give to Mama. Very good. Where's the pink? The pink. The pink. Give me the pink. No, it's brown. It's brown. The pink. Give Mama. Very good. Where's brown? Where's the brown? We give to Mama. You want to eat? Okay, you eat now. Zido, what are you doing, baby? Huh? You writing? Huh? You want to learn how to write? Too early, baby. You're still 1 year old. Smile. Kiss with sounds. Say mama. Sing lang, sing. Say baba. Mama, baba. Sige na. What are you doing, Zido? Why are you inside the plastic, Zido? Huh? Hiding naman ang baby, eh? What are you doing, Zido? Is that your costume? Huh? You cannot get out? Oh, crawling lang, crawl. Down, anak. Sige. Anak, sige. Remove. Anak, sige, you can remove. Ano, you want to play? Huh? Zido and Teddy Bear are wearing shirts. No? This is your shirt, Zido? No? Teddy Bear is wearing your shirt and your shorts. Look. Huh? Stand up, Teddy Bear. Stand up. Huh? Wait, why you throw Teddy Bear? You're jealous? Huh? Mama lang love Teddy Bear. Come here, Teddy Bear. Love Mama Teddy Bear. Mama love Teddy Bear. Zido lang love Teddy Bear. Oh? Mama lang love Zido. Dali. Love Mama. Dali. Teddy Bear, love Mama. Zido, no love. Go. No love Mama. Go. Why? What do you want? Huh? You want to drink the juice? Baby, give me, baby. Mama will put it. Give me the sippy cup. Mama will do it. You know how to do it? Oh, do it. Okay. How? Shake first and then? What's next? Sige, put it there. Put the juice inside the sippy cup. Sige. How? Open. Sige. You don't know? Who wants to eat the egg tortilla? Eat na. You don't like to eat? Yummy mana, Are you full? Bite. You don't like? Sige na.